what makes me a champion is I've decided a long time ago to partner with Conklin, who has been an innovator in the industry and continues to champion the industry with new products, new technologies, better trainings, and just continue to improve. And to me, that's what a champion is.
What I love is knowing that Conklin's been around for many, many years.
I know when I go out and sell roof that Conklin has the best system out there. It gives me confidence to sell. It gives me confidence that I need. When I meet a building owner, I can tell him that I believe this is the best system.
Conklin's support for their contractors is unmatched in the industry.
The trainings that Conklin offers are invaluable to me and to our team. We know that we can gain the knowledge that we need to go out and answer any questions that the building owner will throw at me.
And the market is just wide open. There's so much work, so much opportunity. And what I see happening is us being able to influence other people in a positive way because of the products that we can use. We're able to present these opportunities to others and bring people along beside us and help them better their lives because of the kind of products that Conklin has to offer.
We also are reaping the benefits now from using such a high quality product that companies just hire us because of the reputation of the product and that we have been able to use a great product and provide great service.
With some of the new products we have, there's opportunities that we've never had before.
Well, we use the Conklin product because we feel in our track record of using it, it is by far the best product on the market. And I can tell you in 20 years it has not let me down, that's for certain.
You always hear about Conklin having the absolute best products out on the market, and that's true, but Conklin is so much more than that.
Conklin has helped a countless number of people develop their character, develop business skills, and they have changed just countless lives, including my own. Conklin coming into my life has tremendously helped me to reach my goals that I didn't even realize, didn't even think about before Conklin came along.
The reason I've decided to partner with Conklin over the last 38 years is because of longevity and performance. One of the things that really helps you build your reputation, besides your own performance and training and standards you set within your company, is partnering with a supplier that has the same ideals and performance.
You have got the top quality people and top quality products to make this a successful business, and it will also help you to become a champion.
We stick with Conklin because they've had a 40-year track record, and we will continue to install America's best roofing system out there.